Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change space name on ClickUp. Maybe you want to quickly identify and navigate the correct context within the platform by correcting wrongly named spaces. So today I'm going to show you how to change space name on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to change the name. For example, I want to change the name of this space, so simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you open the space, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner. A new window will appear, and here you can see all the space details. Now, to change the space name, simply tap on this text interface, then delete the current space name. After that, you can now type in the new space name. Once you're done, simply tap on Done to save the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed the space name on ClickUp. Your space name is now updated, reflecting your latest project focus. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change space name on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change space name on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.